Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. Priya Ketube. Now, in this slide, I am trying to give you an idea about the Indian banking system, part 2. That means overview of banking 2. I am belongs to School of Management, Sanjeev Agrawal Global Education. Now, in this slide, I am trying to give you an idea about the functions of banks. So, with the help of these all points, we can easily understood about the functions of banking. First and foremost function of banking is accepting deposits from their shareholders and from their share owner. And actually, with the help of this function, banks inculcating the habits of saving of monies into their customer, and afterward out of this saving they are providing loans and different kinds of activities have done by the bank. So inculcation of the habit of the deposits is one foremost function of banking. Second function is all about providing loans. In this, providing loans is actually one of the vital part of the banking system, because with the help of all these kind of loans, every individual and every business houses is actually facilitated to do their task on time and to fulfill their necessity. So banks provide the loan facility. Out of that they facilitate their customer to do their necessities. And third function is payment and settlement. That means with the help of these payment and settlement, the banks gives all kind of facility regarding all kinds of business payment or individual payment or settlement of all kind of activities or settlement of all kind of demands of their shareholders and customers. And afterward they are settling all the payments and the settlement of all that kind of activity which is commencing through the bank. Another function of banking, arranging currency for exchange. That means there are definitely import and export businesses also commencing in our country and other country also. So for the purpose of export and import, we need foreign currency, and for foremost function of bank is to arrange that kind of foreign currency to settle the export and import, buying and selling amount of the country. So currency exchange is one of the foremost important function of bank. Another function of banking is safekeeping of valuable. That means banks provide the facility of the locker, and in this locker, individual who is the possessor of that safe or that locker, they are keeping their valuables, documents, or gold and silver or valuables in it. So they feel safe to provide that kind of their burden on bank. Another function of the banking is investments of services. That means banks provide the investment of services. With the help of these, banks gives you idea of the about the customer. If they are investing 1 rupee, definitely their money grows, and definitely their money grows. So that is a bigger achievement of an individual to grow their money to invest in a proper funds or mutual funds or those. Although banks provide the idea to invest in different kinds of available availability in the market, like like equity, different kinds of investment avenues. Another function of banking is internet banking, because nowadays we are all living in the world of internet. Like we are doing mobile banking, we are doing laptop banking or desktop banking. Definitely everyone gives the right to make so many sort of functions with the help of their mobile phone, internet banking. So they are providing these are kind of facility also. So in the next slide, I am trying to give you an idea about the importance of banking. That means importance of banking is foremost and understand by these all points. First one is creation of national wealth and social welfare. Definitely banks gives the idea about how to how to inculcate saving, as well as how to invest that saving to earn more money. So that with the help of these kind of facility, definitely an individual grows and their monies also grow. Definitely social welfare have done, because they are securing their amount, or they are securing their money, and afterward, whenever they require that amount, they utilize as for as to recover from their bank account. So creation of national wealth is also depends on the individual welfare. If the individual is so welfare, definitely society is welfare, and society, when the society is welfare, definitely the national wealth is also grows. So they create the national wealth, as well as another point is improvement in national income and per capita income. Definitely per capita income stand for a individual income of a country, in a country, so that when the individual income of a country, per capita income of the country is grows, definitely there are improvement in national income. So banks gives you idea about the how to save their money, how to reinvest their money or capital in the market, and definitely earn a few more amount from it. That means the money grows to invest and to utilize that fund in a proper manner and proper way. So when the per capita income is grows, definitely the national income is also improved. Another point of importance is provide self-sufficiency. Definitely provides gives the facility of internet banking. With the help of internet banking, everybody is self-sufficient to do their banking tasks like buying and selling, or import or export, or payment with the help of check or demand draft. That means there are so many kinds of facilities, avenue, as well as to make their customers self-sufficient. Another point of importance is balanced regional development. Definitely, banks actually focuses over to develop that area or that region which is not developed yet. So they are making their they are making their banks over there. Definitely, when the bank is situated there, they are in that particular region. The habits of saving is inculcating, and afterward they are providing loans and for their businesses and small businesses, and definitely with the help of these amounts they grows their businesses, as well as they will grows their education, they grows their capital, and they facilitate their life. So balanced regional development is foremost the importance of the banking. Another, actually, the bank includes, so there are so many activities includes nowadays in the banking, like credit card facility. You know all about a debit card. Debit cards is all about to utilize your own money which is available in bank account. But credit card is actually just opposite of the debit card. If when the debit card is your own money, definitely the credit card is not your own money. Banks gives you the facility to up to some extent on your credit score. They are gives you amount, a particular amount credit card, and up to like 25,000, like 35,000, like 80,000, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 50,000, and up to this much amount you can make a credit whenever you required from bank, and within 28 days you have to pay it back to bank. There is no charge on it usability of that credit amount, and after 28 days they are charging minimal percent of interest, and whenever you pay, definitely the bank will provide you again credit card facility. So credit card facility is the very most important thing of a banking system. Another, retail banking is also one of the important banking goods, like retail banking. That means a kind of banking where you do buying or selling or lots of so many kinds of payment. So in a single day, that means your banking usability is not only for once in a week or once in a month or once in a fortnight. It is regular basis, and definitely banks gives you the facility of retail banking. That means you can do each and every activity by so many times in a single day. Another banking includes insurance banking. That means banks gives you idea about the insurance of individual, insurance of a company, insurance of a car, or insurance of a bike, or different valuables insurance like life insurance also includes. So banks give you idea about how to insure your life and how to insure your risk, future risk in a that particular time. So you have to place few installment on the ground of insurance, and afterward, when the time come, when the problem is come, when the risk is happen, definitely bank gives you settlement of this kind of insurance. Another bank includes like claims. That means whenever the things happen, and whenever the consumer of a bank claims, so bank it is the foremost responsibility of bank to settle this kind of claim, and to do a normal inquiry or specific inquiry, and to submit a debt report in a particular time, and afterward your claim could be settled. So claim settlement and life insurance is one of the, because in the bank they are gives you idea about the different kinds of insurance, of life insurance or family insurance, different kinds of insurance facility which is available in the market, and tie up with the bank. So with the help of these kinds of activity, their customer utilize their amount for the insurance, and insurance of their family security as well as individual or property security. Another things includes in banking, it's risk management. Definitely banks gives you idea about to how to how to make your risk management in a proper manner whenever you require, whenever you have faced a risk. Definitely banks make that risk balance by yourself only. Banks gives you personal loan as well as corporate loan. Bank, so that there is a facility to utilize the proper amount for a particular time period, and afterward you will be free. Another facility is underwriting and banking operation. That means with the help of demand draft, with the help of check, and different kinds of facility of buying and selling or purchasing or payment of the things, they are providing underwriting and bank operation activity also. The relationship management is the foremost important thing of the bank. Like with the help of relationship management, banks actually maintain relationship with their customer to provide them particular knowledge, or to provide them different kinds of particular particular availability and upgradation of the banking. So this kind of relationship actually have actually important nowadays, because if a bank required their customer, definitely a customer required their bank. So the need of the bank and the customer is vice versa. So they are maintaining the relationship with their customer personally, and to maintain that relation to grow their future business. Another thing is actually includes in SME, small and medium scale, what scale loans or corporate banking is also available by the banking sector, because banks gives you loan of short term, middle term or long term. Short amount, average amount or long amount or big amount, we can say that.